What's up, guys? We're currently heading to a dyno meet where there's a bunch of cars doing dyno pulls. So I'll show you guys that, and then I have some updates on the M4, when to go look at it. So keep you guys updated at the end of the video. Alright, see you. ST, stock ST. That's his bad side. Yeah, he fixed the doors, it's his good side. Go get the other side. Get the good side, my guy. Bro, I'm shit retarded. Why am I doing it? Bro, I'm gonna be honest. He paid 75, huh? What? He paid 75?
Yeah, well, him and Dottie used
no, 70. 70. Oh, he split? That's not bad. It's not bad.
Oh, bro. Hey, DSG JB4 would rip you. DSG or JB4 would rip you, bro.
Alright, we're headed to Cars and Coffee. It's the next day. The dyno run was okay. I only saw a few cars, nothing special. So the M4, I went to go look at it at Parts Score. Really nice guys over there. Highly recommend it. So when I went to Parts Score, I talked to Jason, the shop owner, and he said they confirmed the Crankhub actually spun. So I was right on that, but on top of that, it bent some valves, and it usually does that every time. It just bends like 20 valves. So that's gonna get fixed right now. And then we have some more goodies coming since it's in there. There's a bunch of free labor right now because it's under warranty. We have some extra stuff coming, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be exciting. But yeah, I'll go visit it again, go vlog in there a little bit, show you guys the cars they have. And I'll keep you updated with the M4. Should be back in a couple weeks. Should be faster for YouTube since this is gonna get posted like 2 weeks after it happened. So I'll see you guys later.